What's going on, guys? Back with another one. Last video I definitely lied. Today is the last time we're doing intermediate. Today is the last time. So this is exercise 68 of the book. Tomorrow we're going to be doing, let me flip that page. We're going to be doing exercise 71. So that's the beginning of the advance. Just be patient with me. Alright, we're almost there. Okay. Anyways, y'all, enjoy. Alright, so right here it's a little confusing. We're doing a chamfer right now, and on the documentation it's denoted as 2x or 2 times 45 degrees. You can see right there as I zoom in. 2 times 45, that is now, it doesn't mean 2 of them, which that's what I typically think it means, But in this case it means 2 inches or 2 units deep on both sides by 45 degrees. As always, we're pretty much done. Today, the main point was mainly just to show off the chamfer, how to really do that whole process. It's kind of complicated. It's just, if you don't know what you're doing, it's kind of annoying and kind of complicated. And reading the document is complicated in and of itself. So, I'm just glad we got to show that off. And as always,